What's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing some rear speakers on a 2012 Impala LT. This should also work all the way back to a 2008 model. I'm upgrading the factory ones in there to a 450 watt KICKER CSC693 from Best Buy, about $100. That's what it looks like outside the box. As you can tell, probably going to sound a whole lot better than the factory, which are currently blown. So stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to remove the rear seats. In order to do that, underneath here there's gonna be a little clip, or I should say like a lever. You're gonna have to pull it. So you have one here on this side, and you have also one more on the other side. It might be easy to have a friend help you. You can't really reach both at the same time, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Next thing you're gonna have to do is remove the back part of the seat. To do that, you have some screws on the bottom, one right here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you take those off, this panel will be free and you should be able to pull out the seat back. Once you get your seat back removed, you have a clip here and one on the other side, the same spot. You take those two off, you should be able to remove your back panel. After that, you should just be able to grab it, pull it up, it should slide out. Pull. And voila. There's your rear speakers. Alright, so as you can see, these are the factory speakers. Made of cardboard, paper. No wonder they don't sound too good. So there you got 4 screws that you need to remove on each speaker, and then you unplug it and pull them out. Alright, so underneath, you just got that one plug. So you just take that out and pull it out from the top. Alright, you take the speaker out, you just get your little screwdriver, put it up on there, kind of pry. It's got a little sticky adhesive underneath it, so it kind of helps with a screwdriver. And there's your old speaker. Alright, now you're going to take your factory wire. You're going to have to cut off the adapter so you can install your aftermarket cable so you can connect to your other speakers. So I know one thing a lot of people ask is, how do you know which one of these wires is going to be your positive and your negative when you get to the other side? Well, personally, I feel like it doesn't really matter. If you look at the original one, green, there's an A next to it, and the blue one, there's a B. So I'm just gonna assume green is positive, blue's negative. I've hooked up a lot of speakers before. You can literally hook them up either way and it still works. So take it for what it is. Whatever you feel like doing, go ahead and do it. This is what I'm gonna do. After you finish crimping them, it's always a good idea to also wrap them in black tape. Now you just gotta pull this little plastic piece off. There's a clip under here and under here. Just grab it from the bottom, there, there. Pull this off. Now you take your new speaker, place it in the plastic housing, and then put your screws in. Alright, so you got them all tightened down. You know, German specs, Guten tight. Once you're done, you're good. So look something like this. Now you're just going to take your speaker, plug it in, small to small, big to big, slide the little covers, set back in the hole. Line it up. Good to go. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. Now you just gotta put everything back the way you got it off. That, guys, is how you change out your factory speakers to aftermarket speakers in a 2008, and I believe it's actually all the way up to 2013 Chevrolet Impala. Thanks for watching.